Here's the easiest way to connect with an Apple support advisor via chat to resolve the issue discreetly. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the Apple support phone number for a call and book an appointment at the Genius Bar. First, go to this webpage on your computer browser. The link is provided in the video description and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can scan this code to access the Apple support webpage. Now, select the problem you are facing right now. For example, I am selecting Update and Restore iOS. Here is the Apple guide you can refer to. Skip this section and scroll to the last. Under the Contact section, use the options Chat or Call. To get the direct phone number, navigate to this page and select your country to access the Apple support phone number. For chat, select it from here. Similarly, Apple users can receive help via chat for billing and subscriptions. Select your problem from the list and proceed with the chat option in the next step, as shown on the video screen. For the specific device problem, select the device from here. For iPhone help, click on iPhone. Choose the problem or expand this list with the More option. For example, I am selecting the device performance option from the list. Choose a topic related to your query. I am selecting battery performance, and now continue with the option. Under the Repair Options section, see Schedule a repair or diagnose via chat. Scroll down on the same web page and click the Chat Now option. You must sign in with your Apple ID or enter your iPhone's serial number. Once you enter, click on the Continue option. Now, enter your first name, last name, and email for future reference. Click on Continue to start chat. In the chat window, wait for a few seconds or a minute until an Apple support advisor connects with you. Get the real-time solutions on chat with a real human. And get your problem fixed silently. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Post your question in the comment box.